Alright guys, here we are. We got Eric under the car back again with the 350Z. We got some mounting stuff right there. It's looking pretty, still single exit, but got woken up a bit more. If you guys remember back in the video, Eric said he wanted test pipes. And
I'm down here.
there's Eric.
How you guys doing?
And there's your test pipes.
So, a little bit of a different take this time because usually we start out installing the product, but this time they're already in. So yeah, usually cats would be right here, take up a lot of space, but instead we got these nice Manzo test pipes. Manzo is a sister company of Megan Racing, and I believe the only difference between the Megan test pipes and these are the fact that these are straight unresonated. And the reason I went unresonated test pipes is because I have that resonator down there from the ISR GT single that we did from last video.
Yeah.
So right now, basically, we put Brandon and Robert helped me put the test pipes on a couple days ago, and I drove it around a bit and I noticed I'm getting some weird rattling from like the heat shield area. So basically, behind the test pipe, like right here, is where I'm getting some rattling, just on this side. And you know, JSR cars, we're not the most prestigious modifiers. So over here, I'm gonna move you guys over. If you notice, I have a really similar heat shield up here, and what I did to that was just stuff like one of those AutoZone shop towels in between the heat shield, and I got a decent amount of like resonance from that, I guess, against the heat shield. So I'm gonna try that on this side. Try that on this side over here and see if that helps any of the sound, because it sounds pretty brutal. It sounds like the Tin Man getting sucked off, dude.
Very interesting description there, but
yeah. And another thing I heard, so I got these defowlers right here, which is how you avoid a check engine light with test pipes. These defowlers, I heard some guy saying about this nut right here being loose around the fowler, so I'm gonna try and tighten that too. And then I guess we're just gonna take it for a test drive, get some sound clips, see how different it sounds, maybe get some flames out of it again.
Oh hell yeah, dude, this thing shoots flames now.
We'll keep that for when we go for the drive.
Yeah, if you guys don't follow Eric or me on Instagram, follow Eric first, then me.
Shameless plug.
We're trying to get all the clout right now, but video of it on his Instagram, pretty fucking sick. So
yeah, if you want to see this beauty fart a little bit.
Oh yeah. How loud was it?
Insanely loud.
Oh hell yeah.
It's crazy. Like it sounds like a grenade going off right next to you.
It's so sick.
So yeah.
Alright. First things first, trying to make it actually dailyable without rattle. So
yeah.
That's the main goal.
And I know some people like I know the Z forums are pretty fucking like not friendly to any questions. So I went on a thread, or I asked on a forum, and they were like, "Oh, you just bought cheap parts," and I'm like, "I don't think so." Like
typical forum boys.
Yeah, they fit perfect too. There's no like fitment issues. People were like, "Oh, it's a part that's not fitting properly." Definitely fits properly. Everything lined up.
Yeah, it
but
looks perfect.
Another thing that's coming next, I would say, like next performance part, is gonna be a Y pipe. This OEM one I bought off of some guy for like $60, just so I could throw the ISR single exit on. But I think the cats, along with that exhaust, didn't give enough volume to like make this rattle. Because I always noticed the flex pipe had a little bit of a air seepage, but the test pipes definitely like exemplified that sound of fucking air just spitting out from right under you. And it's not pretty. And whatever this crap is, I don't know. I don't ask owners about stains in their exhaust pieces. That's kind of something they should figure out on their own. But yeah, pretty ghetto, but it's worth an attempt.
Yeah. For the time being, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do.
My car catches fire, so be it. Got me some nice Manzo stickers, complimentary with Manzo test pipes.
Sick. And what site did you order them off of?
I'd like to thank Redline 360, specifically Alex. Alex is always the one hooking it up. He definitely the best customer service of any like parts website.
Yeah.
And you can tell from the last video what I was saying about import image.
Yeah, like we keep it real, like
keep it real,
websites. So definitely Redline 360 is the way to go.
I can always vouch for them.
Yeah, they've never let us down. So
yeah, thank
always
you. I know Alex is probably gonna watch this. If you're watching this, Alex, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. Eric's about to take the stands out, and then we're gonna get this thing started. See if the rattling is the same or if it went down a little. Hopefully it went down. So we shall see. Dude, the birds here is peaceful.
Oh, right? It is.
So peaceful.
Then you hear your neighbors like fucking arguing at 5 in the morning. You're like, really?
Yeah.
Happens at like 2500 though.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna give it a little rev.
Your exhaust just popped. Well, you smelled no cats.
Yeah, dude, it smells pretty good.
Not gonna lie, it does.
Alright, so I'm gonna move this one here.
Gotta move the big boy truck. This man just remote started the big boy truck over there.
Just in case you want to take a shit while letting your car warm up, you know, those good mornings.
Good for those winter states. Cool color.
Yeah, it's like a Nardo gray.
Yeah, it is. It's pretty cool.
Still got that new car smell.
Oh, plenty of room in the back.
Yeah, dude. We were looking at Silverados too, but they were a lot smaller for some reason.
Yeah. Well, and I don't see the Silverados come with any carbon fiber either.
Oh, hell no.
Oh.
Honestly, Ford's new interiors are really nice. But anything before 13 is pretty questionable.
Yeah. Oh my god, dude. Chevy interiors before like 2013, god awful.
Dude, I bet. Like anything
my
American, really?
Yeah.
I can like attest, bro.
Cause I drove a C7, nice interior,
C7?
so nice, yeah. And then I hopped in like a C6 like an hour later, so bad. It's
that
unbelievable.
sucks, you know?
Yeah. There we go. The door was unlocked this time, and I don't have to cut it out. Someone called me out.
Yeah,
for
I saw that. I was like, damn, good eye.
We hella close to the shrubbery. Oh yeah.
You hear the?
Yeah.
I don't even know what to like say that is, dude. Because
I feel like it sounds like it'd be the Y pipe.
yeah, that's the only thing I would say.
Yeah.
And another thing, I heard the OEM Y pipe, the inlet is only 2.25 inches and the outlet is 2.5.
Yeah.
My exhaust is 3 and the test pipes are 2.5.
Regardless, though, it's loud.
Yeah, I mean, on the highway it's not that bad, but
Yeah.
in the city it's pretty fucking annoying.
Alright, now that the truck's parked, we're gonna go for our actual first ride.
Go the usual route.
Yep. Deja vu from last week's video.
I know, right? We can just live past the noise, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
As long as I know that nothing is like wrong, that's all I
Yeah.
really give a fuck about right now.
Yeah, once you get a new Y pipe, it'll be perfect.
Yeah, it should be way louder too.
Yeah.
This Asian lady wants it, bro.
Wants the beat down. Oh yeah. Fuck it, Yanks, dude.
Yeah, it opened up a lot. It's crazy.
Yanks. Whoa, get your brakes fixed.
That's pretty brutal.
It is.
Dude, there's a shit ton of pollen out right now.
Yeah, there is. I'm surprised I'm not dying right now.
Yeah, I'd be clapped right now. I'd have to get some allergy medication.
Same.
But like last time I had allergies, my eyes were so fucking red. It was crazy. My managers were like asking me if I was okay to work. And I was like, I'm not high, you retard. I just have allergies. Feel any difference as a passenger?
It feels like the speedometer climbs way faster, but I don't know if that's just
yeah. No, I do feel you about the speedometer thing, but I don't feel like crazy different, you know?
Yeah.
I feel like it's because it's more like linear and like less restriction, I guess.
Yeah. I don't think I've ridden in it enough or like often to get like
a feel.
Yeah, a feel for it, but it definitely feels like quicker.
Yeah.
I mean, VQs are like notorious for if you delete the cats and get an exhaust, like it actually adds power, so.
Get a good amount of power.
Yeah. Alright, we're pulling up to this park right here. Eric's gonna try to shoot some flames, so
open field.
See. How'd you figure out that it shot flames? Or you just...
I was just like bored and I was like, I wonder how it sounds to be revved now. And dude, it just happened to work out.
Hey, we still need that how to drive stick tutorial. People were actually curious about that, so.
Oh, dude.
Yeah. I think it'd be a pretty good one.
Yeah, I think I could help there.
We'll make that another day.
Maybe if I back into this
that's what I was thinking. Let's go check it out.
Good?
Yep.
Be careful.
Oh shit. Yo, that last one was fat as fuck.
Did I get some fat flames?
Shit, yeah. That's so awesome. I've always wanted a car that shoots flames. I'm jelly.
I'm pretty sure the could like shoot flames, right?
Yeah, they can. You just gotta have them completely catless. Alright guys, we're back. There you have it. New exhaust.
Test pipe.
So nice.
Exhaust.
Once you get past that rattle, perfect. So
so that means the next thing, white pipe.
Yep, you can expect pretty much a three-peat of 350Z exhaust videos eventually. So we'll have what is it? Oh, the exhaust. No, dude, it'll be like a 4-peat because we'll have no exhaust, the exhaust, catless, and then Y pipe eventually. So
that'll be like the icing on the cake.
That will,
with the exception of headers, but you got me fucked up. You think I'm doing headers on this car?
That'd be ridiculously loud. That'd be too much. It'd be sick, but it'd just be too much. But there you guys have it. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Test pipes are in. Sounds better than ever. And we'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.